And here's part 2 of these welds. Here's a close-up. This is how not a weld.
Hey, let's do it again over there. No, wait, you have to leave it.
Let me show you the other side. As y'all can see, they try using a grinder here to even it out, but there's still a lot of what do you call it, openings, I guess, or where the weld didn't contact the other material. So real shitty work. Hasn't fallen down yet, but I guess it's kind of like the roof is pitched like this on both sides, collects water, comes down this little channel, and it's supposed to fall in this little pit here. Oh, yep. See, these welds look a little bit better here. Alright guys, well, y'all have fun. Bye-bye.